In this video, I will show you how you can fix your device isn't compatible with this version error on Google Play. So we will be moving with two methods and a final statement on what you should do next if these methods do not work for you. At first, go to the settings of your mobile phone, go to about phone. Here you can see my Android version is 12, which is the reason why the app is not being downloaded in my mobile phone. I just have to update it. For that, click on MIUI version in my case, but in your case, you have to see if any new software update is available. If yes, then go and install it, and after that check if that solves your problem. If not, then there is still another fix which works in all mobile phones. Simply go to Google Chrome or any browser and then type app name plus older version and search for it. In most of the cases, these older versions works in your mobile phone, but you cannot update them. So the only way to use them on your device is downloading the older versions from any of the trusted sites. If this is also not helping you, then in that case, the time has come to change your mobile phone. Just upgrade it so that you can use all the new applications which have higher system requirements. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to Mac369 and hit a like.